welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Claudia's, and today I'm off to the supermarket. I've noticed that I run out of eggs and I want to make my Callaloo egg omelette. So I'm on the road heading to the supermarket. So if you're interested in seeing how I make my Callaloo omelette, stay tuned and remember to like, share, and hit that subscription button.
Familiar. You're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
So welcome back. I've gotten my eggs and the rest of my groceries and I'll be heading home, so join me. I'm finally home and I'm being greeted by Hema. Hi Hema. Her hair is messy and I think I'll be doing a grooming video soon and giving her a bath. Comment below and let me know what you think about that. Are you ready to grab your ingredients? Let's get cooking. So I have gone ahead, washed and chopped up all my grown ingredients to save time. In a medium frying pan, you're going to add some butter and just let it melt. The next step is to add all your chopped ground seasoning. Then you're going to add all your mixed vegetables. These are frozen, but it's okay, you can just go ahead and add them to the seasoning. Add your chopped callaloo. So now what you're going to do is you're going to just mix everything together. You're going to mix the callaloo with the ground seasoning and the mixed vegetables. Just try to incorporate everything in one. So now you're going to add your coconut powder and you're going to mix everything together. You can also add your all-purpose seasoning, your black pepper. Just give everything one mix. A little information on the callaloo is that it is packed with nutritional benefits. The leaves, they contain large amount of vitamins A, B, C, and it is very high in fiber, iron, and calcium. So I always ensure that, you know, even if it's one plant or two plants, I always have them growing in my backyard garden. In a small bowl, you're going to beat 3 eggs. You're going to add a pinch of salt, or you can add salt to taste, depends on your preference. You're going to add a pinch of black pepper, also a pinch of all-purpose seasoning and crushed pepper. So the omelette is a delicious meal that is perfect. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for brunch, for lunch, or dinner. It is just a healthy and also a yummy meal. When the first side of the egg is cooked, flip over, add callaloo to the center, spread evenly, and fold. So guys, we've finally come to the end of the road, and this is what my finished omelette looks like. So thank you once again for tuning in to my program. Please remember to like, share, and hit that subscription button for more videos. Thank you.